Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a portfolio on Upwork. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open upwork.com on any of the browser you have. Then you can see the sign up option. Let's go ahead and create a new account. Click on sign up and you can see I am a client hiring for a project and I am a freelancer looking for work. You can click on any one of these. If you have an account, click on login. We are going to create a new account, so we are going to click on apply as a freelancer. Now you can see various options through which you can sign up. The first option is continue with Google, the second option is Apple, and the third option is entering manually your email address, your first name, last name, dedicating and creating a password, writing your country, and clicking on this. So I'm going to teach you how you can continue with your Google account. Just go ahead and click on this option over here and select your Google account. After you select your Google account, you can see that in a while you can log into your account. So if you want to create a new account, you must select the email address which is not used. So you can select the email address over here, click continue, wait for a while, and you can see that this sign up is on process. Go ahead and click on yes over here and click on create my account. So this process is already happening. You can see that your account has been created. Now let's go ahead and get started. What you need to do is create a good portfolio. The process starts here. So it's written, hey Salgat, are you ready for your next big thing? Go ahead and click on get started over here. Now you can see a few questions first. Have you freelanced before? I'm new to the brand, I have some experience, and I am an expert. So you can click on any of these according to your wish. Click on next and you can see skip for now as well. You can click on skip for now as well. So let's go ahead and click on these and fill in some information. So you can click on all of these and click on I am open to contract to hire opportunity as well. Click on next, create a profile. Now you can see this option over here. You can import your LinkedIn, upload your resume, or fill out your information. It will take 15 minutes max time. So if you want to do this, you can click on fill out manually and you can see some of the process as well. So if you want to do this, you can do this as well. But if you have your resume, why not do upload your resume? Or if you have your resume from LinkedIn, you can log into your LinkedIn account as well. So you can see upload your saved LinkedIn PDF. You can upload a PDF of your LinkedIn resume, or else you can see upload your resume option over here. Just click on it, click on choose file and search for your resume. After you search for your resume, enter it, wait for a while. This process might take some time because it must access all of your files and it must see what your achievements are, your study is, all of this. So you can see that this resume has been accessed and reached. Go ahead and click on continue. Now what you need to do is click on next, add your experience. You can see all of your experiences over here. So you can press next and you can see some of your options over here as well. If you want to add more, you can see plus icon. You can add more icons as well. So you can see that the date must be written over here. You can see if the date is not written, you can easily change it. So go ahead and click on next, add your education. You can see the education part over here. So if you want to edit it, just go ahead and click on edit. And this end date is not available here. You can click on I am working. If you are working on this project, click on save and click next, add. Now you can see some of the education details. You can edit it anytime. All you need to do is click on this plus icon over here. So you can see next, add languages. You can add some languages of your choice. So you can click on add a language, select the language from here, and you can choose the proficiency level you have. So after that, click on add next, add your skills. Now you can see some of the skills over here. You can easily add some of the skills and you can add your own skills as well. So if no results are found, better luck next time, and you can add some similar skills as well. So you can see some scripts, analysis. I'm going to add a skills. So you can add some skills as well. So there are some suggested skills over here. If the skills matches your skill, you can click on it and it will be quite easy. Go and click on next, write an overview. You can see this is the current overview on default. You can write this or you can change it according to your life or career overview. Just go and click on choose your categories now. So you can choose some of these over here, and you can also add your own. Just go ahead and search for it over here. All of this will be quite easily available, so you can see that you can easily select the jobs you want and the services which will be shown on your Upwork profile. Go ahead and click on set your rate, as it is quite important to set your rate and your value. You must do this. You can see the service fee and how much you'll be getting. Just go ahead and click on next, add your photo and location. Just go ahead and add in your date of birth now. Then you can see upload a photo. Click on this plus icon, click on upload, and what you must do is upload your photo. So go ahead and select the photo which perfectly describes you. Go ahead and click on attach photo, and in a while this photo will be attached. Make sure that you upload your own photo which perfectly describes your view. Go ahead and select this, and you must write down your street address now, and you must also write down your city, province, state, and your zip code as well. And finally, your phone number is essential. Go ahead and write down your phone number and click review your profile. After you check it, you can see your portfolio is ready. Go ahead and click on submit profile, which is over here. And there you go, your profile is finally ready. Now you need connects to bid on jobs. So if you want bids, you can buy it, or else you can buy it later and browse without bidding as well. Go ahead and click on it, and there you go. Now if you want to see your portfolio, just go ahead and click on your profile over here. After a while, you can see all of your portfolio over here. So it's quite easy and efficient. If you want to link accounts, you can do that as well. So there are some options of GitHub and Stack Overflow, and you can see all of your project catalogs over here as well. And if you want to add them, you can click on manage projects and add all of your options. So you can see add a project option over here. Just go ahead and click on publish, click on add a project. And now you should add a project title, your role in this project, the project descriptions, some of the skills and deliverables you had done on this project, and you can add images, video, content, links, PDFs, music, audio files, all of the things which you have done. So you can do this, add a new portfolio, click next preview, or you can save as draft as well. And there you go, you have completed your profile and you have completed your portfolio as well. So guys, this is how you can change your portfolio, or how you can upload your profile and portfolio on Upwork. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.